everyone, as a person living here in Newport Beach in Orange County, and also as a realtor with Seven Gables Real Estate, we are so committed, and of course myself personally as well, to support our community and support our businesses. And so what we're doing is if there's something that your business is doing or your company is doing and we can share it on our social media platforms, please let us know. You can reach out to me on Jules Wilson TV. That's my Instagram, or my YouTube is Jules Wilson TV as well. But what I'm doing is, when I'm out and about, for example, I ran by the drugstore today in Corona Del Mar, and it said we have sanitizer and masks. And I just took a picture of it. I'm just going to post it. I also ran by Reborn Coffee. They said we are open. So just looking for ways to kind of help each other out. Sometimes we don't think about a business unless someone tells us about it, if they're still open, or what services or products they might be offering. And it's just a way to keep each other going during this time. So I have a feeling we're coming out of this soon, and I'm excited, and we all have to have, good thoughts. But anyway, as you're going around town, wherever you live, maybe you can just take a picture of a business you walk by, post it on your social media platforms, and let people know, hey, this place is open. Patronize them. So once again, obviously we're all in this together, just giving some ideas of what we can do to help each other, stay afloat, stay healthy, and stay well.